Alright guys, good morning. It is Monday morning. Is it Monday? It's almost afternoon.
Yeah.
It's Monday. We're leaving Base Canyon. We just charged up the car. We're gonna go to a gas station. Yeah, I guess it is a gas station. We're going to a truck stop. We're gonna take a shower, get nice and clean, and then we're gonna get some coffee and start getting on the move on. We are gonna take the super scenic route on the way back home. Yeah, we got time. So we're gonna go to Leavenworth,
which is just like a Bavarian looking little like European town. I guess it's really, really pretty. My voice is going. It looks really pretty at Christmas, but it's summer. So
we're just gonna go check it out and see the sights and whatnot.
And then the whole route from there back to like the coast is along the south side of North Cascades. So I don't think we're gonna stop and hike it all today, but at least we'll have some pretty views.
Yeah, so enjoy the video.
So we stopped at a truck stop to shower. I think everybody else had the same idea because they didn't have any showers available.
No, they were like, we went in and I was like, do you have 2 showers? And like, I don't think we have that. And the only thing available was 2 in the dude shower. I was like, well, Shelby needs to shower too, so we can't do that one.
So we're just on the road up to Leavenworth. It's only an hour drive from where we were stopped at, and dropped off Shelby at her car, so it's not too bad. And I figure on the way there, though, there's likely to be another truck stop, so we're kind of just taking our chance on stopping somewhere else. Otherwise, we're gonna go through this town looking a whole mess.
I mean, thankfully we're not getting off anywhere, so no one's gonna see us, but we are burnt, dirty, smelly.
Smelly is a big one.
I mean, I think burnt is really the worst one. And I don't think we smell that bad. We're burnt to crisp.
Just my shoulders, though, honestly. Like,
my face hurts.
Yeah, your face looks pretty bad. But either way, we're about to take this real pretty scenic drive through central Washington to a little town called Leavenworth. Come along. Cows.
The cows.
We love cows.
Back to your regularly scheduled program. We are about 4 miles from Leavenworth. And how you feeling now that we have been in the car for about an hour, now that you've had some time to wake up and stretch out? How you feeling post Base Canyon?
Dirty and tired. I need coffee. We're outside of Leavenworth, and the water looks really pretty. So that's where we're gonna go. Excuse me, B. It's pretty.
pit stop to have some dinner with a friend, and we will resume to our regularly scheduled program shortly. Bomb?
Mm-hmm.
Bet. Alright, so where are we going for the second time?
Well, it's not the same one.
It's not the same one, but the same place, different location,
We're going to Chiba Hut,
because we don't have one close to us and we miss it every single time.
and we're about to start the nighttime part of our drive, which means we're probably gonna get the munchies around 2 o'clock in the morning when nothing's open because we're gonna be in bumfuck nowhere. So, sandwiches.
Yeah, and we're not gonna get it from this place, even though it looks very enticing. Shiba Hut is down there over there.
Did you pick up your small children?
Not a small child.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't forget to put your crispy in there.
Alright, so now that we are up, we actually took a good, 8-hour nap.
We slept.
We slept in the charging station for the Tesla. And now we're going to eat our sandwiches that we bought last night for said
Breakfast.
Yeah.
It's 9:32 in the morning. Currently in Brady, Washington. We're headed to the 101, so we can take the 101 all the way down the coast.
Yeah.
And we're probably going to stop at a Costco, see how much cheaper it is, and have our feelings hurt a little bit.
Yeah. Well, how's your sandwich?
Good. There's some surprise jalapenos in there, though.
Wow, we are crispy. But we are in Oregon.
We're in.
I don't know where in Oregon.
Warrenton.
Warrenton, Oregon.
We just got off the 101.
We got off the 101. We're taking the 101 all the way down back home. But we stopped at Costco because it's a lot cheaper up here.
And it's massive.
It is pretty freaking huge. So we're gonna stretch our legs, see what we buy.
Take a little break from the car for a bit. Yeah.
Yep. And then.
Because it is so like rainy and overcast, and it's 66. It's been 60, like 61 to 63 degrees for the most part Fahrenheit. Right here it's 66, so it probably feels pretty good. But
Let's see what Costco has.
it's gonna be cold as fucking Costco.
Yeah. So we found the giant Squishmallows from Costco. The Oogie Boogie, Jack, Sally, and what's the dog's name?
I forget.
Wait,
it says on there. Zero.
Zero. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, we found them. I gotta send this to Kaden because he would probably want all of them. It's a mango. So as we are driving through, we see this farmer's market, and we decided to stop. It does smell really, really good. Farmer's market.
We got a bunch of tea.
We got a bunch of tea. We didn't really need it, but we needed to replenish our stock for the house because we're heading back. And we weren't gonna get it, but the fact that it just smelled so good and it was all organic. All organic.
And she makes all her ingredients herself with all organic, certified organic products. But we also got tzatziki dip because we got these crackers that he's munching on that y'all can hear.
They are really good.
And we're gonna stop in Tillamook and go to the creamery too, but that's still a few hours away. So we got tzatziki dip for the crackers in the meantime.
Facts.
But now, again, this is a place that I've been before because Julie and I have come here. But we also came in October and it was cold, like frigid cold. We hit our toes. We literally had them like this under. I don't know if you can see my toes.
I don't even see this.
Under the like where the heat comes out. In our car that we rented because we did go out there barefoot and I swear I felt like I had frostbite. So it'll be interesting going here on a decently warm day right now.
I'm just here for the vibes.
Think Chris is sick of my adventures yet?
I'm here, aren't I?
Oh, I smell the ocean water. Look it.
So once again, here we are at another stop because it's a pretty view. And I got up here because I can see, the view. It's really pretty. Shelby got up here and she saw berries, and now she's using her Google phone to see if the berries are poisonous or not. So here we have wild Shelby in the wilderness. She has stumbled upon some berries on the bush. She's gonna figure out if they're poisonous or not.
Not poisonous.
Is she gonna shit her brains on her way home? Let's find out. Here she's preparing to go. Superhero landing off the wall.
No superhero landing. There might be one.
So Shelby found one, and she has it right here. She told me not to squish it. And she said that she found some really good ones, so there she goes.
Look at that one! It's perfect.
So what are you going to tell our kids one day when we bring them to the Tillamook Creamery for the first time?
Because we like cheese. I like cheese. Okay, that's good.
But no, all in all, I actually love these random crazy adventures because the way I see it is like, yeah, we went to Base Canyon and we got to rave for 3 days and it was a great time. Loved it. But then also, we do love cheese and we're at the Tillamook Creamery, so let's get some cheese.
Cheese and ice. Did not expect all this. Jersey, butter, fat, and protein means scrumptious cheese and ice cream. My 2 favorite things. And pasta. And Ayrshire. You would like this. Rubber back on it. Heard you like samples? Yes, I fucking do, Tillamook. Listen, we said we were gonna learn how to make homemade cheese too. This was the perfect place to stop. We learned what kind of cows we want and how to make the cheese. I want one. It takes 10 pounds of milk to make 1 pound of cheese.
Okay.
However many cows we need for that.
All of them.
Me, I'm the quality checkpoint. Where's the cheese? Give me the cheese. Follow to the factory, to the warehouse. I want more.
So besides Shelby eating half of the peaches and cream ice cream, we're gonna do an actual taste test, all right? So what do you think of the peaches and cream now that you've already eaten it?
10 out of 10.
Okay. Really good.
Alright, next one.
Now what was this one?
Campfire.
The campfire peanut butter cup. That was good.
Okay, that might be my favorite.
Yeah, that was really good.
Alright, and then Marionberry pie.
Marionberry pie, yeah. That was nice. I really like that one.
That's nice.
So, all of them out of 10. Down the line. Peaches and cream?
I'm gonna do out of 10. That's too much.
Okay.
That's my first favorite. Peach and cream, my second favorite. Marionberry pie, third.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it's that one for me.
Really?
Yeah. I will admit, I'm calling Shelby out for eating all the ice cream, but I did take a bunch of samples from the tour. So, I like cheese. I like ice cream.
This shit's good.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
Yeah, what do you give it to them? Out of 10 then?
10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But right, so I'll be real honest. We've been tired this drive, so we haven't picked up the camera.
We just haven't picked
Well, it's all just been like the views that you've been seeing for today, but we're already in California. We are about 100 miles north of San Francisco, give or take. We stopped at Costco because the last cooler that we bought, the handle was broken. So we didn't realize it, so we exchanged it. We got the new one. This is it. And I had to stop and get some Costco food because I'm starving, and Shelby just wanted a sweet treat. So here we are. So probably just gonna go back to all this pretty views. So enjoy.